The STIHL BGA 56 compact cordless blower is the perfect partner for clearing leaves and debris from the drive, patio and garden. It's part of the STIHL lithium-ion compact range, which uses interchangeable 36-volt batteries. These batteries will fit other tools in the range, including lawnmowers, a grass trimmer, a hedge trimmer and chainsaws. The lightweight and compact design, coupled with 36-volt lithium-ion technology, offers both comfort and power in one neat little package. With up to 20 minutes of runtime using an AK20 battery, this powerful blower will clear up to 600 square meters of dry leaves from your patio or driveway. The fully adjustable blower tube can be easily adjusted to suit individual heights. Simply twist and pull or push. The BGA 56 blower is easy to handle. Its rubberized grip and perfect balance allow you to comfortably use a blower for longer periods. A neutral locking position for the battery means the battery can be safely transported in the tool without the risk of it starting. For neat storage in the garage or shed, the BGA 56 can be easily mounted to the wall via the hanging eyelet. The simple operation means you have to just click in the battery and pull up on the trigger for impressive blowing power. When using the BGA 56, always read the manual before you use it and make sure you use the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug fitting clothes, goggles, gloves and sturdy footwear.